black, too strong.
Hope has arrived in this multimedia experience like no other. A live, in-conversation and stand-up with Terry Jervis.
For the first time, I'm going to showcase my business activities across media, TV, film, and music. From Rio Ferdinand to Ronaldo, from Beyonce to Rihanna, and Afrobeats.
On February the 24th, the British Film Institute will honor his career and legacy. In the world of entertainment, not many people can claim to have the social impact of Terry Jervis.
So, Will Smith, do you remember when I flew to New York to meet with you and Jazzy Jeff in that old warehouse and we were filming Parents Don't Understand, which led to the opening titles of The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air when I was working with Quincy Jones?
Yo, come here, let me talk to you. Yeah, have a seat. Let me talk to you. What's happening? My name is The Fresh Prince from Jazzy Jeff and The Fresh Prince. And what you're looking at, this is the set, right, for our new video.
He's a producer, director, and media executive. He mentored many people in the industry and fought campaigns for change over a successful career spanning 40 years in entertainment and business.
Then you will hear about the famous Def Jam tour, which I produced and directed. Chuck D, do you remember when you came to my house and we planned how we would make a nation of millions see this?
How low can you go? Death row? What a brother know. Once again, back is the incredible. I'm animal, the uncannibal, the public enemy #1.
Experience an uplifting story of success from his humble beginnings in Hackney to become one of the most influential BBC executives in history.
Venus and Serena, do you remember how you used to tease me about my accent?
I don't know, but for some reason today I'm in a very good mood. Must be with the weather, because in England it's always rainy.
Richard Williams and I became good friends over the years because we were two people who understood each other.
Good evening. Speaking to the world's greatest.
Jazzy B of Soul to Soul. Do you remember coming on my show and then we did the American tour?
We have established our own style and our own culture now in Britain through the 80s.
The ladies of hip-hop were also a big impact on my shows.
This is Queen, catch it, Latifah. Many people mispronounce this name. What's the pronunciation? Latifah. Not Latifah, not Latifah, Latifah. See how smooth that went? Latifah, Latifah, Latifah.
And you will see stars in their most unusual settings. LL Cool J, do you remember when you allowed us into your house with your grandmother?
You're starved, you're hungry? I didn't take nothing out
We're in the cut, so we're going to be on camera. Don't worry about it.
I didn't take nothing out of the freezer yet? Todd, don't you put bread in your mouth like that?
Why not? I understand. You can understand what I'm saying, can't you? Ladies over there going,
That's not nice. Like I'm starving you to death.
There will be so much for you to hear about my work with Her Majesty the Queen and Buckingham Palace, and the entertainer Sir Lenny Henry, who we both share a passion for collecting comics. And Lenny, I have your original in my comic book collection.
But what was great about the Real McCoy was it was for us, you know.
Lenny, I bet you don't have this one, a rare signed copy of Superman versus Muhammad Ali.
Too black, too strong.
All of this and much more, including my adventure into space with Starship, Rolls-Royce, and the Royal Air Force. From Pirates of the Caribbean to the Tuskegee Airmen, aircraft to spacecraft, history, drama, comedy, music, and general entertainment. This will be a showcase of my whole career.
Come to the BFI at London South Bank and take a seat in the majestic NFT One Cinema to enjoy a showcase of his music, media, and merchandising. What you take away will be enriching, exciting, and something you will never forget.